Hello people, I'm Mike, and in this video we're going to learn something super cool. It's a trick that I use most of the times, and I mean it's just so amazing. It's just sad that your professor is not going to teach you this. So if you want to know that trick, stay glued to your screen and then follow me, okay? Do not skip. And if you're new to my channel, you have to subscribe and like my video as well, okay? Come on, you have to do that so that I can be giving you more cool tricks and cool hacks in maths. All right, so without missing words, let's begin. Great. So in case you've been given this question to solve, that you should solve 4x squared minus 60x plus 225. You should solve this work. Our teachers and professors will tell us that we have to go and find the factors. With this one, you even have to multiply the 225 by the 4. Okay, that's going to give you 900. Then you find the factors of 900, and the ones that you put together to get 60. That's a whole lot of work. You're gonna take like 5 or 6 to 10 minutes to do this work. But this trick that I'm going to teach you, come on, you don't have to think. You don't have to worry yourself about anything. Absolutely anything. All right? The only thing you need is your calculator. Your calculator. That's the only thing you need. When you have your calculator with you, you can trick your professors and even your friends, okay? And they will never know how you did it. This is how you're going to do it. You're going to input this one. You input this whole equation in the calculator. I hope you know how to do it, all right? So you go to mode, and then you go to equation, all right? You go to equation, then you choose the third one, so the third one. After that, you input this whole equation into that. So they ask you for A is 4. You press the 4, and then the equal sign. Then B is minus 60, so minus 60, all right? C is 225, then 225, all right? Then you press the equal sign. See, after pressing the equal sign, they're saying that x is 15 over 2. That is what the calculator is saying, okay? This one, x is 15 over 2. Good. Now you know the answer. If you meet this one in objectives, then you don't have to worry yourself. The calculator has told you the answer is 15 over 2. So you just choose the answer and go your way. But if you have this, or you go to meet this question in section B, subjective, what are you going to do? The calculator says the answer is 15 over 2. Hey, are you going to write x is 15 over 2 and then you leave it like that? No, you have to solve it. But now you know the answer. This method, I call it the bottom-up method or the reverse method, okay? So this is what you're going to do. Good. We're going to do this cool trick, yeah? So you're going to count or leave some lines. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the feet line, you write the answer that the calculator has given you, all right? So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Depending on the answer, if you have this one is a fraction. That's why I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5. You count 5, and then you put your answer there. X is equal to 15 over 2. You have two answers, or x is equal to the same 15 over 2. Okay, good. Let me change my marker. So this is what you have. That's the answer. Now we're going to build it up. We know the answer. There's no need to think here, all right? So we're going to reverse everything. X is equal to 15 over 2 was, so you just make it like this. So it was this. It was 2x equal to 15. And then this one was also the same thing, 2x equal to 15. I don't have the lines here, so I'm not. Then now you're coming back, okay? So you're going to reverse it. So this one, it was here, and they moved it to the side. So now we write it for them. So it was 2x. If you bring it here to be minus 15, put it into the brackets. Then here 2 will be 2x. This is math magic, okay? You bring it to this place. You see, so now you're going to multiply this one through by the whole equation. So you pick this one, multiply it through. So you have 2x, multiply everything here, minus 15, okay? Then you pick this one. The second one is minus 15. That one is going to give you what? The same thing. So 2x minus 15. You see, we are coming to the question. Now you multiply everything. So this one multiply everything in the bracket. So 2x times 2x will give you 4x squared. All right, we are getting this one back. Then 2x times 15 will give you minus 30x, right? Then we'll move to this place. Minus 15 times 2 will give you what? Minus 30x. Okay, then minus 15 times minus 15 will give you plus 2 to 5. Yeah. So you see, that's it. We've got another example. Okay, let's do another example and see how it is. Right, I hope you enjoyed this one. Come on, subscribe and like. Okay, like the video, because you know I have so many beautiful stuff for you. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is going to be our next example. Let's check it out and see. Now they say we should solve this, 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. Yeah, they think they've given us something difficult, something that is going to put us through a lot of stress. But hey, we are smarter than them, okay? This is what we're going to do. Look at it. We are not going to go through the normal procedure. If the normal procedure, we have to multiply 6 times 6 and get 36. Okay, then we have to find the factors of 36 that you put together to get negative 5. Come on, that's a lot of work. We don't want to do that. So our usual thing, you know our trick. Your calculator will do it for you. Just pick up your calculator and go to mode. You go to mode, then equation. Okay, that's a fifth one. So you click on 5, then equation comes. This one is a quadratic equation, so that's the number 3. When you press it, the equation drop down comes. Okay, now you're going to put in the figures. The A is what? 6. Then B is minus 5. Yeah. Then the C is minus 6. So let's see. Good. Our answers are in. The first one, X is 3 over 2. So let's write it down quickly. We don't want to miss out. My marker. So X is equal to 3 over 2. Okay. And then the next one says, yes, or X is equal to negative 2 over 3. Yes, so these are the answers that we've gotten. Now you know your answer, so quickly build it up. All right, so now this one, when you have X equal 3 over 2, is the same as 2X equal to 3. Okay, then this one, X equals to minus 2 over 3 will give you 3x equal to minus what? 2. All right, so you keep reversing them. You keep reversing them. So this one, you reverse it to the side. What are you going to get? Positive comes to be negative. So you get 2x minus 3. Put it in a bracket. Then open another one for this. Move this one to the side. Because it's negative, if it comes to be positive, yeah? So you get 3x plus 2. All right, we are going to the question. Okay, so now what you're going to do, just multiply them through. Pick this one. So you're going to expand this. This is a binomial. Okay, so you expand it. This one will give you 2x, multiplies everything here. So 3x plus what? Plus 2. Then this one, minus 3, we'll pick this one. 3x plus what? Plus 2. You see, so we come into this one. Now you multiply 2x times 3x will give you 6x squared. Then what you have, 2x times 2 will give you plus 4x. Okay, then we come here, minus 3 times 3x will give you minus 9x. Then minus 3 times 2 will give you minus 6. Oh, we are done. That is it. That is it. That is it, guys. We are done. You see, no stress. No stress. Just get your answer from the calculator and put it there and then build it up. You can use this method to do any quadratic trinomial question, any quadratic equation. You use this method and you do it. You call it build-up method. I call it like that. Okay? Good, guys. That brings us to the end of our lesson today. And like I always say, come on. I mean, you can just watch and leave me like that. And you don't have to like my too. Like my video, like my channel, subscribe to my channel, all right, and hit the notification button so that whenever I release a new beautiful video, I have got lots of math hacks that I'm going to release, okay, and you don't have to miss out. So subscribe and then press the button so that whenever I put out a new video, you're going to have it, and learn. Bye.